In this video, Dazzling AI Studio brings you a cyberpunk-style color design. If you need the original image, please contact us privately for a free download. Cyberpunk-style color interior design, deeply influenced by the science fiction culture, originated from the sci-fi literature of the 1980s and quickly gained popularity in movies, art, and design. This style is known for its unique visual impact and reflection on the coexistence of high technology and a low life, creating a cutting-edge yet cozy living space through vibrant neon colors, metallic decorations, and futuristic layouts. In terms of color application, the cyberpunk style in interior design favors cool tones such as silver, gray, blue, and red, contrasting them with high saturation colors like fluorescent green and bright pink to create a strong visual impact. These colors are often combined with LED light strips, fiber optics, or holographic projection technology to produce dynamic light and shadow effects, mimicking scenes from sci-fi movies. Additionally, the style frequently employs transparent glass and mirror materials to enhance the modern and technological feel of the space. When it comes to material selection, the cyberpunk style in interior design leans towards modern materials like metal, plastic, resin, and carbon fiber, which complement the technological theme with their glossy and contemporary appearance. At the same time, the style incorporates retro elements, such as aged metal, leather, and wood, to create a blend of old and new, and a juxtaposition of tradition and modernity. In spatial layout, the cyberpunk style emphasizes fluidity and openness, breaking through traditional spatial boundaries with open layouts and flexible partitions, making the space more expansive and transparent. The style also excels at utilizing the structure and terrain of the architecture to create a layered and dynamic spatial effect. In terms of decorative details, the cyberpunk style in interior design often incorporates sci-fi elements, such as robots, spaceships, and futuristic cityscapes, as well as retro electronic devices, neon tubes, and billboards, to create an atmosphere where the future and the past intersect. Additionally, the style frequently uses abstract geometric patterns and streamlined furniture designs that reflect the characteristics of industrialization and technological aesthetics. Overall, cyberpunk-style color interior design is a creative and personalized design approach that, through its unique use of color, material selection, spatial layout, and decorative details, creates a living environment that is both modern and retro, high-tech yet grounded, offering a wealth of inspiration and options for residents who pursue individuality and creativity. Thank you very much for watching. If you are interested in our video, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you would like to collaborate with us, please contact us through the method provided at the end of the video. See you in our next video.